Beginning your WebQuest. Laws of Exponents. Introduction. This WebQuest is a way for you to understand the laws of exponents, the application of those laws, and how to use them, as well as discovering their uses in the real world. Understanding the principal uses of exponents will enable you to better understand concepts in mathematics which will be built upon as you work with exponents and rational exponents. Furthermore, if you understand the importance of using the laws of exponents, you can understand their importance in real-world application. Part of this WebQuest will be developing a problem where you will use exponents in a real-world situation and thus, using the laws of exponents, come up with a solution. The information you gather and the problem you develop will be put together in a PowerPoint presentation which will be shared with your classmates. Tasks. You will be required to accomplish 3 tasks in this WebQuest. 1. Research the laws of exponents. 2. Develop a PowerPoint that describes the applications of exponents in mathematics, how exponents are used in the real world, and describe what other fields besides mathematics use exponents. 3. A question that often arises in math classes is, when will I ever use this in my life after I'm done with school? Exponents can have some applications which may help solve everyday problems in the real world. The last part of your quest is to develop a problem based on how you may use one of the laws of exponents to resolve an issue from everyday life. Process and resources. Process. First, using the websites listed, you will research the laws of exponents. As you conduct your research, you will take notes, either handwritten or typed, concerning the following questions for each topic. Process. The laws of exponents. 1. How many rules, laws are there? 2. What are the applications of exponents? 3. Show a formal explanation of each rule, law. 4. Show a working example using real numbers of each rule, law. Real-world exponential uses. 1. What are the real-world uses of exponents? 2. What other fields of study incorporate the use of exponents? 3. How do exponents make things, processes, easier in these other fields of study? Resources. Use the following web links to gather information that will help you answer the previous questions. Evaluation. Laws of Exponents Research PowerPoint presentation. You will be graded on the amount of information you gather, how it is organized, the quality of information gathered, and the sources from which it came. Every student in class will receive a grading rubric, which outlines in detail how your work will be graded. Conclusion. In conclusion, after you have finished your PowerPoint, you should have researched and listed the laws of exponents. Your PowerPoint should be a useful tool that not only you can use, but that you can share with your classmates. You should have a greater understanding of how exponents work and how they are used, not only in mathematics, but in the real world as well. You should also be able to understand that question which every student asks. When will I ever use this after I am done going to school? Extension activities. Go to a local community college or university and interview a professor or graduate student who is working in a field other than mathematics that uses exponents. Develop a list of careers that involve using exponents in their work. From that list, choose one career that interests you most. Research what educational path must be taken in order to start that career. Then research any additional information regarding that career. Is this a career field that is constantly growing? What is the median yearly base and maximum salary income in this career field? How long do others with this career remain working in this field?